we're looking at the base of a Christmas palm tree. I'm cleaning the area, basically taking the mulch out and all the leaves that drop from the croton plant that's right next door. I'm just keeping my fingers and my feet down, looking because the boys and girls down here with the Carpenter Ants are moving the nest around a bit. I disturbed them, so they're keeping a watchful eye out for me, and I'm keeping a watchful eye out for them. I got bit by one 2 days ago, and I thought fire ants were dead. These little darlings got a much deeper bite and nastier. Well, anyway, these are Carpenter Ants, and apparently I removed several trees, but looks like they're going up and down. See those little white things they're carrying around? This one right over here. He's carrying an egg around, so I don't know where the hell he's going. He's going up the canopy for some reason. I don't know where he's going to go with the egg. This is a storm coming here, so I'm just playing it safe over here. I'm looking around. Well, basically, I cleaned all the mulch around that was down here and all the seeds from this past summer. And as I got down to the base, down to the dirt, I noticed a few Carpenter Ants in a short period of time. It was more than a few. So what I did was I took the fire ant spray that I had and just placed it on them, and they had a little water. And I keep on looking down below because to make sure there's none walking towards us. Apparently they're in the process of moving the babies and the eggs, and I'm just looking over here to make sure there's no one moving near me. This is a more expensive cleanup than I normally would do, but I'm just recapturing my no-float mulch, and the red mulch is what I got last year. It was $1 a bag, so who could pass up $1 a bag? I deplore colored mulch, but $1 a bag, deploration goes right out the window. I go for cheap. And my no-float mulch, I think it's like $2.28 a bag, so I'll stick with that. Because all the other stuff, when you get a heavy rain here down in South Florida, it floats across the yard and down the back and out the front and into the street. So I'll stick with no float, even though 90% of it stays there. It covers it, makes a little valleys when the heavy waters come from the rain.